Archery pair Atanu and Deepika have hit out at Archery Association of India. The pair has claimed they would have fetched India a medal in the mixed event. Deepika says Atanu and I should have played mixed event together. Deepika says coordination and combination with husband Atanu much better, and the couple says their partnership would have worked at Olympics. That's the latest coming in right there. Archery pair Atanu and Deepika heading out at Archery Association of India. This after that disappointment that came in the Olympics in the archery event. If you have Rahul Rawat with us, let's go straight across to Rahul for more details. Do we have him with us? Rahul will be joining us in just about a bit, but let's in fact listen in. We have a reaction coming in from Deepika Kumari. For this, we'll play out that reaction that is coming in from Deepika Kumari. We are having some trouble with that those visuals right there, but in just about a bit, I promise you, we will get that up and running, and Deepika Kumari's interview will play out on India Today in just about a bit. Some technical error right there in the footage, but we'll come back with that exclusive interview that we have. In the meanwhile, let's go straight across to Rahul Rawat. Rahul, after this particular loss, why the blame game? This particular point should have been made to the association before they went into play, not after.
See, there are 5 events in archery, and India competed in 4 of them. We were actually, in fact, we thought that Atanu Das and Deepika Kumari will pair up for the mixed team event because they had been performing well. Unfortunately, here, Atanu's performance wasn't up to the mark, and the archer, in fact Praveen Jadhav, who made it to the mixed team event, he qualified based on the points, but still the final decision was to be taken by the association, by the federation, and they had an option that they could have gone with a more experienced archer. That is exactly what Deepika is saying, that the kind of camaraderie and coordination she shares with Atanu, perhaps that was missing, and that was for the federation to decide whether they would prefer a young Praveen Jadhav, or they would go with an experienced Atanu Das. But the federation chose to go with the person who actually qualified, who earned that spot for India in the mixed team event, and the person with the more points. So they went with the younger archer, and that is exactly what Deepika is arguing.
Absolutely. And as I was telling our viewers earlier, and I made that promise that we'll play that interview out, we've got that interview. Now let's listen into Deepika Kumari.
फेडरेशन का फैसला था कि भाई उनके हाथ में था। आपको लगता है कि अगर आप दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन बैठा होता उसमें थोड़ा सा बेहतर हो सकती थी चीजें? हालांकि ये देखिए बात बीत चुकी है, पर फिर भी मैं ये आपसे सवाल पूछूंगा।
ये बात खत्म हो चुकी है, अभी हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते इस मामले में। बट हाँ, अगर उस वक्त वो स्ट्रांगली डिसीजन लिया जाता तो माइट बी आज सिचुएशन कुछ अलग होती।
आपको लगता है कि एक बेटर चांस था हमारा ओलंपिक्स में मेडल का?
ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना कि एक पोडियम फिनिशिंग होता है, एक बंदे के अंदर एक क्वालिटी होती है जो एक बंदे ने डेवलप की होती है, एंड टीम कोऑर्डिनेशन होता है, कम्युनिकेशन होता है, विच इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट। और कहीं ना कहीं जो इतना साल हमने मेहनत किया और इस जगह पे आके वो चीज़ अचानक से वो ख़त्म हो गया। बट क्या होता है ना कि आप एक परफॉर्मेंस में आप सब जज कर लेते हो, बट आप जो पूरा 3-4 साल आप परफॉर्मेंस दे रहे हो उसको आप जज नहीं करते हो। उसके बेसिस पे आप उसको आप नहीं देख रहे हो,
एक्सपीरियंस को आपने डिस्काउंट कर दिया।
यस, वो बहुत गलत होता है। तो मैं यही कहूँगी कि प्लीज़ डिसीजन थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग लीजिए, और जो बाकी परफॉर्मेंस है उसको भी देखिए, किसी एक गलत परफॉर्मेंस की वजह से, क्योंकि हम लोग भी इंसान ही है, गलती किसी से भी कभी भी हो सकती है। हम जानबूझ के गलती नहीं करते हैं। तो आई थिंक आपको थोड़ा डिसीजन स्ट्रांगली लेना बहुत जरूरी है।